Okay. Okay. Thanks for joining today's session. So this is our first day class, and today class we are going to discuss about the how to create the personal developer instance. So as I said in the previous class, so we don't need to purchase anything to practice the service now. So service now is giving free of cost the instance. So we call it as instance. So we can get it very free of cost with the if you have the valid Gmail ID. Okay. So to get it that you have to go to the developer instance. So here you can see the developer instance, and if you want to me type there, so you can developer.servicenow.com dot slash dev2. So if you type this, so it will take to you to this developer site. Okay. So once you are sign in, you can see the sign in button. Once you have clicked on this, so you can see the page where you can sign in, and if you don't have access, if you don't have the account, you can go to this get ServiceNow ID. If you have already have the ServiceNow ID, then you can directly type the your email ID, and you can directly go to the next page. And if you don't have the account, if you are new to the ServiceNow developer instance, you can go to this get ServiceNow ID page. Okay. Then you have to provide your first name, last name, email ID, country, password, and the confirm password, and click on this. Once you click on the sign up, then it will send activation link to your Gmail ID. Whatever the Gmail ID you have provided to, it will get. So here I can't show because I can't open the Gmail ID in my laptop now. Okay. So once you sign up, your account will be created, and it will send an email notification to your Gmail ID for the activation. Once you are clicked on activation, automatically your account will be activated. Then you have to come to this sign in page. Okay. Sign in page. So now I have the this sign in page. So let me pen this. Okay. Let me click on this. So we have to give the personal, sorry, password. We have to give the password. Okay, once you click on the sign in, automatically it will open your account. Okay, personal developer account, it will open. So once you're logged in, so already my personal developer instance is already created. So I will go to the documents to show you to how it will. So once you're logged in, once here you can see that information here. Okay, obtaining once you sign into the personal developer instance, in the header you can see the request instance. Okay, once your instance is created, then once your instance is created, then let otherwise I will show it to you. Let me open another account. Can show it to you. Mm. Get ID. You can select the India country, and you have to give the password. Password should meet these conditions. Okay, you have to click robot. So once you're done sign up, so see, you will get a message. ID has been created for this email ID. This application requires to verify your email. Please check your email for the to link to verify your account. So after verification, you can log into the application. Please note the email is valid for the only one day. So you will get a message. So in my laptop, I can't activate my I can't install my Gmail ID, so I can't access it. So let me do it from my mobile. So this is my office laptop, so I can't access that. Okay. Okay. So once you're logged in, you have to go to the once you're it is okay. It may take some other time to. I did not receive that email ID. It may take some time. So meanwhile, I can go to the this my previous account. So same like here, you can see this, right? So once you logged into the your first time, so it will go to the your you can see this button request instance. Once you clicked on it, it will take to you, it will ask for the latest version. So you can check that latest version which you want to activate. So once you clicked on activate, automatically it will the instance will be created for you, and it may take some 20 minutes like that. So ServiceNow will create a separate instance for you, and it will be created for you. Okay. So once it is created, okay. Okay, once it is created, you will get a start building this with the number DEV. DEV means developer instance, and it is a random number. It is unique for the everyone. So for me, it is created 194396, but for you, it may generate the different number. So once you have clicked on this, it will open your personal developer instance. Okay, okay. Yeah, this is our personal developer instance. You can see here. So you can see the URL HTTPS. This is the our dev 194396 dot service-now.com. Okay. Now you can see this is for only for it is created. This is the URL of the your instance. Now, so here you completed this topic. Next we will go to the obtain personal developer instance. So once you click the request instance, so here you can see the your you will get a message your instance is ready, and you can see the admin and the current password, and you will get this page. Okay, you can copy the current password and you save it for the safe location. You can save it. Otherwise, you can change the password later. So I will tell you how to change that password. Okay. Okay. Next, go to this getting around to the ServiceNow documentation. So once you're logged in, once you're opened your instance, okay, now you can see the two topics, the major two components. One is the banner, the top one is the banner, and the next second one is the content frame. Okay, now you can see this. The top one is the service. Now is you can ignore this message. Just it is coming because of my office restrictions. The top one is the banner frame, and the second one is the middle one is the creator should. These all are the content frame. Here you can see the content like forms and records and script, everything we can write it here. And the top one is the service. Now all favorite this area coming, the black color is coming, we call it as a banner frame. Okay, remaining area we call it as a content frame. Okay, here you can see the yellow color one, they highlighted this one, and you can see the bottom of the one content frame they have marked it. Okay, so in the banner frame, we have the number of options. We have the number of logos here. Okay, the first one is the logo, company logo. Here you can see the company logo. This is the ServiceNow company logo. But if you are working in an organization, you can see your company logo like Bayer or Infosys, IBM, and TCS. So whatever the company we you are working, so you can see this in your company logo. Okay. So next one is the navigation menus. So if you go to the navigation menus, so whatever the applications you have in your ServiceNow, so you can see them. Okay, whatever the applications you have in our service now, you can see them in all the applications here. So if you go to this is we call it as a filter navigation. So you can access like an incident, everything you can access it from here. Okay, everything you can access it here. Okay, next thing is the favorite one. So favorites one, it is like a bookmark, how we save in our browser, right? Bookmarks. So here you can save this. If you want to open this incident every time, so go to the add incidents to the favorite, click on this. So if once you click, then it will ask for to the save it. So here you can check this. If you go to the favorites, here you can see this, refresh the screen. Here you can see in the favorites. So every time you don't need to type that in our was saved it here. So just to refresh the screen, it should come here. Some issue is happening. Just ignore this sometimes. So here we can add it as a create favorite. Here you can see the incidents. So like this, you can save it some incident. We can add it some bookmarks like in the favorite here. And here you can tap the history tabs. Okay. In the history tabs, you can see all the recent activities you did in the history. So it is like a browser history. So you can see the all the recent opened records, everything you can see in the in your browser. Okay, whatever the in your history you can see whatever the activities you did in our service now recently, whatever the records you opened, everything you can access. So there is a some limit is there for this records. So last 20 records you can some 20 activities you can see this. Okay, and here is the workspace is there. So it is a separate topic I will cover when we are going to this is separate interface for the ITL agents who is working on the IT help desk. So they are going to use this further to work on the incidents and all. Okay, and let's come to this main menu. Here you can see the administration activities. I will also explain this one when come to the related topic. Okay, so basically regularly we work on this all filter navigation, favorites, and the history regularly we use, and workspaces admin activities will be used by the that IT help desk and administration persons. Okay, and now you can see the this one is the logo. Here you can see the content title. So whatever that record you are seeing, so you can see that the title of the record. Now if you open some incidents here, so you can see the incidents self-service view. It will be changed based on the record you are seeing. It will be changed. Okay. Now, next one is the you can see the user menu and the help and notifications. So if you go to here, you can see this application scope and the update set. So this is other topics I will just explain it. And here you can see the currently logged information. So I am logged in with the system administrator user. So you can see my details, everything here. Okay, that who has logged in, his name. Okay, and here you can see the notifications. So you can see some notifications to you if any incident is created, any email notifications, everything you can see some alerts here. Okay, notifications. Okay, next one is the show help. So show help means whatever the topic you are seeing. Now we are seeing the incident, right? So it will show the related topics here. Okay, you can it will take to you the service no documentation. Okay, incident management process. It will show some help documents to whatever the content you are seeing here. It will showing. Okay, next one is the slide bar discussion. So if you want to have some discussion with your colleagues, and it is like a chat application. You can see this some slide bar discussion. You can have a discussion with your teammates and all this record. Okay, slide bar. You can see some discussions here. Okay, I will tell you how to use that one. Okay, okay, 1 minute. Let me. So here you can see the help and notifications. So okay, next come to this application navigator. Here you can see the search for the applications and the module. So whatever the modules you want to open or if you want to search, you can come and you can search anything like a problem, change anything. So you can search and you can export this. Okay, and here you can see the main search for the application. It is the main application and that this is the modules. So main application name is organization and the module is business application, and application here it is a, so this is the application name is incident, and here you can see the in the incident module you incident applications you can this is, let's say it is the problem is application, and create new assign to, these are the modules under application. Okay, so next one is, so here you can see this. So if you want to pin this, every time you don't need to click on the all. If you want to pin this menu, automatically it will be pin here. Okay, every time you don't need to click on the all. You can see the all the applications, everything you can see here. Okay, so if you go to the next topic. So the user menu includes the user related controls. All users can view their profile and preferences. So now I have logged in with the system administrator user. So I can see my details. If you click on the profile, you can see the all the information related to this currently logged in user. Currently logged in means whoever is using the system, their information. Now I am logged in with the system administrator user. So you can see the system administration details here. Okay, date format everything here. If you want to see the more details, you can go, you can click on this, go to view, you can see the default view. So you can more view the we can see the more details of the system, this user. Okay, so now if you want to remove this all, you can click on the all. Okay, you can remove the filter navigation. Okay, now if you click on the logo icon, it will take to you the home location, that home page it will take to you. Okay, now let me go to this ServiceNow developer account. So here you can see your instance details here. Okay, the first one is the instance status. So here you can see if it is offline or online, whether it is hibernating. You can see, and the release. The latest one is the Janadu release. So you can see the latest version name, which your version you are using, and the role, which role you are using. Though I'm using the admin role here. Okay, so next one is the App Engine Studio. App Engine Studio, where it is a separate application, so we can create applications from the scratch level, which are applications not provided by ServiceNow. You can create the applications from the App Engine Studio and the Creator Studio. Okay, you can create them. So next one is the next. If we come to the this section, instance action. So here you can, if you want to activate separate plugins. Separate plugins means ServiceNow they give some applications by default, but if you want to activate any separate applications, like in our mobile we have the Play Store and the App Store, right? If you want to install some new application, we go and install, right? So like that we have the activate application plugin store is there. If you click on this, it will take to you some this. So what these are the on demand whenever you want to install any plugin, so you can install them like a discovery, cloud manage. These are the separate applications. If you want to install them, you can install them. Okay, so next thing is the, you also same, right? Yeah, here also next one is the manage email properties. So, by default ServiceNow they is disabled the email sending and receiving capability. So from ServiceNow you can receive send an email. By default they have disabled it. So if you want to enable it, you just click on the this thing. So automatically the emails sending receiving service now can send emails alerts and can receive the email alerts also. So you can enable this. By default it will be disabled, but you can enable this. Okay. Next thing is the release instance. So now you activated your instance and you used it, but if you want to, you are not going to use it for the some long time. If you want to stop practice something, any reason it could be. So if you want to release the instance, it will be released from your account. After that, you can again you can create. It release means once you it is released, you can't access it again. Okay, no, by releasing an instant, you are allow other developers use. So once you release, it will be allocated to your other developers who are practicing like us, so it will be available for the other users. Okay, you have to select the reason, and if you select the release reason, it will be removed from your account. Okay, now go to the change role. Now we have with the admin role, if you want to use change it to the app engine studio creator, you can change it. Okay, next thing is the remove demo data. So service now we got some demo data like incidents, right? So they give some demo data to understand the how the records are getting created. So these are the some demo records we have. So users, if you want to remove those demo data from your instance, you can remove the demo. If you don't want to put any data, so you can remove that one. Okay, and here you can see the reset and wipe instance. So if you used some instance for a couple of months, you did some customizations, but you want to reset the how it was there initially. So when service now assign the instance to you, so how it was, so you want to reset entire system out of the box settings, everything configurations you have done, so you can reset and wipe instance. Okay, once you click done, everything will be removed and you can refresh, you can restart the instance using. Okay, so click on the manage instance password. So by default ServiceNow is giving this instance name and the password here, and if you want to reset your password, you can reset, and if you want to email yourself to the password, they will send these details to your email address. Okay, here you can see the instance name, this is one, instance URL, this is the URL, and username is the admin, and the password is this one. Okay, and next go to the upgrade instance. So as I said, ServiceNow they are releasing the every two releases, every year they releases the two versions. So if you want to upgrade to the, now I have created in the Janadu version now, but they have released the patch 2. So sometimes in mobiles also we are getting some updates, right? iOS and Android version, so like that every 6 months, this is the patch is different, and version is different. Version is they change entire name and the everything, but patch, if they want to fix some issues in your mobile, in your application, so they release some patches. So if you want to update to the latest, once you click on this, if you click on the upgrade, again it will be upgraded by the, that it will be upgraded to the latest version. Okay, and click on the view history. So once you click on the view history, you can see the all the instance history. Okay, password reset, I did not perform any, but plugin activations, everything. So that is the reason it is not showing. If you shows the some records related to your instance history, and you can see the instance get instance help. Okay, now if you have facing some issues, and you can report your issues here. Okay, report a problem with your instance help raised, and you can community forums also there, and personal these are the document side, you can go and you can verify or issue how to fix that issue. Okay, so these are all about the how we work on the personal. Normally in the real time on the organizations, we don't get these options directly. Only we have this URL only. Only directly we will see this URL only. Your manager will give this URL, and directly once you are clicked on it, automatically it will take the automatic login. You don't need to give username and the password. Okay, automatically based on your laptop login, automatically it will be login. So I will tell you how to set up that login also. But personal developer instance only, I'm just seeing this, I'm explaining these options. These are not going to use in the real-time organization. So these options will not be available. Okay. Okay, for the practice purpose, you have to come to this. But in a real-time organization, they directly give this URL to you to access it. Once you click on this, automatically it will activate. It will be accessed to you automatically. You will get this page. Okay. So next thing is, so here you can see some tabs, that sections here learn. If you want to self learn, you can go through these courses and learning plans. But before that, you should have some knowledge on the service now. So you cannot directly learn from the this learn tab. Okay. You can see the reference tab. Everything will be documentation will be provided by. So okay, and just you can have to go to this connect and click on the community site. So this is the community site regularly you have to follow. Okay, here what why we are following this, right? So here you can connect with other developers. If you have some issue, you can post it here, and other developer they can answer to you. Okay, here in the if you post some questions here community, they can see here some already some recent questions we have here. So they are asking for some help for the developers. Here you can see top solution providers. So they provided many solutions like AZ, Learn and Grow, Brad, Bowman. Here you can see they can provide the solutions to you. Okay, here you can see the tick mark, blue color, green color tick mark. It means this question is answered by the that one person, that that answer is also correct. Okay, so this person has posted this question. Yeah. Okay, 1 minute. So this person has posted some question. So here he provided the answer to. So the answer is correct. So this is the like this we can use this community site. Okay. So next one. Here you can see the other options also like events about that. So you can go through the this all the sites, blogs, and you can see all how the other developers are developing that. Okay, that is other stuff based on our interest. You can go through that. So regularly we don't go, but I'm selling if you have interest to go there, you can go to this all the topics. You can read it yourself. Okay. Now let comes to our service now topic today. So we have I have explained about the banner and this is content frame. Okay, and if you want to customize this UI, that user interface, you have to go to the first of all. If you want to change this logo, you have to go to this. So yeah, some firewalls, because of firewalls, my instance is not running in my laptop. Okay. So to customize your ServiceNow interface, you can go to this basic configurations. Go to the If you go to the basic configuration, here you can get this values. Okay. If you want to change the anything here, you can change it here. Okay. And here you can see the banner image. Okay. If you want to change your banner image, you will be there. Okay, let me stop sharing and sharing my full screen. Or you can see this. Okay, if you want to change this logo, you can change this from here, banner image. You can go click on the banner image. You can select anything from you. Okay, pictures. So I'm just putting this. So once you saved it, it will be your image, your banner frame will be changed. So just refresh the screen. Okay, let me. It is loading. Wait. 1 minute is taking time, little time, more time. God. Mhm. Just give me some time. Okay. So today, unfortunately, I had to stay in the office and I need to connect from here. So from Monday onwards, I will connect my personal laptop. So you won't get these issues. Okay. Okay. Let me connect from here. Okay. I will connect from another browser. Okay. It's not working here. Okay. Let me log in from the another browser. Okay. Eh, Just wait 1 minute. It will be connected. Otherwise, we can see this whether it is working or not. Let's see. I think it will be there. My God. Yeah, I hope it is coming now. Okay, next time from next class, I am not going to connect from this laptop because it is we have some security issues. Okay. Mm. So I showed you right that to update this basic configurations. Mm. Okay, guys. As of now, today I just showed you how to connect, how to create the personal loop instance. So you just go through the this site and same you just I like you can create the new instance and go through the basic options I have explained to you. Okay, and we'll connect on next class and we'll start with the another topic. Okay, how to create the users and how to give the access to the each user. Okay, so yeah, now you can see this page. Okay, now it is not connecting here. Okay, so we can connect on the Monday at the same time, and I will explain how to create users and all next of user administration for the each and every tool. So first thing we import the users who is going to use their system. So first we will import the users. I will explain how to import the users, how to provide the access to them. Okay. Okay, as of now, today I'm just closing this session because of my laptop is not supporting here. Okay, in my office. So I will connect from my personal laptop from next class onwards. Okay. Okay, thanks for joining today. So any doubts we can have, we can discuss today now. Any doubts we have?
Yeah, hi. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So, are you
Yes.
available for in offline class
For offline
tomorrow?
class, huh? Yeah, tomorrow. Yes, yes. Yeah, Saturday I will be available.
Like timings?
Timings from morning 10 to evening 3 to 4.
Okay, you will be there. Okay.
Yeah.
There will be
Okay,
no
you can
class
come and you can
tomorrow.
ask if you no class tomorrow. Only Monday to Friday is in sometimes
Okay.
if the syllabus is more and some, we are not. I mean, some any no, any work day if I am not able to take, I will take the class on the Saturday. I will inform you in
Okay.
advance.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
any
Thank
questions about this pre about yesterday demo and the today that the instance? Anybody is already created? If you have any doubts, you can ask me.
you. No. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, thanks for joining today. So, okay, please we'll meet on next Monday same time. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, bye.
Okay.